In this video, we will be solving the other numericals of your consumer equilibrium. So here is a consumer has an income of rupees 200 per day. That is, income of consumer is given. You do know income by Y, that is rupees 200. Price of good X is given rupees 2 and price of good Y is given rupees 5. Now let's suppose the entire income is spent on good X. Right? You spend the entire income on good X. So how many units of good X you will be able to buy? That is your income divided by the price, that is 100 units. So in this case, you will be having 100 units of X and 0 units of Y. Now, when the entire income is spent on good Y, what will happen? The good Y was 5 rupees per unit, means 40 units you will be able to buy of good Y, between 0 units of X and 40 units of Y. So you've got 2 points, that are one on X axis and one on Y axis. So with this you can draw your budget line. Good X, good Y, 20, 40, 60, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, X, Y. See, when your X is 100 units, you obtain 0 units of Y. When you consume 40 units of Y, you consume 0 of X. So this is a straight line. So this is your budget line you have drawn according to the question. It was so simple. I hope you have understood how to draw the budget line if the particular information is given to you. So this is the second question. John has rupees 88 with him. He intended to purchase good X and good Y with his income. The market price of good X and good Y is rupees 8 per unit. Find out how many units of good X and good Y should John purchase so that he gets maximum satisfaction. So in this video, what the person is asking, he is asking to calculate the consumer equilibrium in two goods economy. So we get the consumer equilibrium and MUX by PX is equal to MUY by PY is equal to marginal utility of money. Right? So MUX by PX, we can calculate the marginal utility of money of X. Right? And we can calculate the marginal utility of money of X and marginal utility of money of Y. We can calculate by dividing MUX by PX. So P price is 8. Price of X is 8 and price of Y is also 8. So we can divide and get the answer, that is 11, 9, 8, 8, 64, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And now we can calculate the MUM of Y, that is your 5, 4.5, 3, 2.5, 2, 1.5, 1, 0 and 0 by 8 is 0. Alright, 0 by 8 is 0. and 4y it is 0.5. So this we have got the marginal utility of money of x and y. Now we know that equilibrium point is where MUx by Px is equal to MU by Py is equal to MUm. Now you have to find out the combinations where your MUm is equal. See, 4 is not equal 5 and 5, right? Then we have 3 and 3. Then we have 2 and 2. And then we've got the other point, that is 1 and 1. So we've got 1, 2, 3 and 4 combinations from this, right? That's A, B, C and D, 4 combinations. See, in 4 combinations, what you're doing, 5, here is 5 and here is 5. For X, you are consuming how many units? 6. And for Y, you are consuming how many units? 1 unit. So which is equal to 6 8s are 48, 6 1s are 6. So total amount you spending is 54 rupees. Right? This was your A. Now in B combination, what you're doing, 3 and 3 are equal. So 8 units of X, 8 units of X. Y, how many units at 3? 3 units. So how much you're spending? 8 is equal to 64. 8 24 88. You're spending 88 in this combination. Now at combination C, you have 2 and 2. So MUM is equal, unit is 9 units of X and 7 units of Y. Oh, no, sorry, 5 units of Y. 2 is equal here. So you have 9 into 8, 5 into 8. 5 8s are 40 and 9 into 8, 72. So you have 2 and 11, 111. And at point D, if we talk about, then 1 and 1, 10 units of X and 7 units of Y. 80, 72. So you have total amount which you spending is 152. See, you can be at equilibrium either at this level or at this level, because you are spending below 88 that you had or full 88. So your optimum equilibrium level will be B point. But C and D you cannot afford. This equilibrium is out of your reach because you do not have money to spend. You just have rupees 88. So this is the greater than 88, both the amounts. So you won't be at the equilibrium. So you will be at the equilibrium when you consume 8 units of X and 3 units of Y, and your MUM is equal to 3. I hope you have understood this question. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.